My name is Richard Buzaglu. As a physiotherapist, I get a lot of calls and consults with patients with wrist injuries. So what do you do when you have an acute wrist injury? An acute wrist injury means I fell, I hurt my wrist, my hand was hyperextended, I fell with my hand hyperflexed. So there's a lot of pain in the wrist area. So what do you do? The number one thing to do is rest. So you want to stop all activity of the hand. So you could just stop moving it, or a more effective way to do it is to rest it with a brace. So before I show you how to use the brace, what is this brace recommended for? I've been looking around for a lot of braces, and I recommend a whole line of braces. But this brace I found was low price, but very good quality for the price you're paying. And it definitely does the job very, very, very well. So this is the Ortholife Deluxe Wrist Forearm Brace. So what would I use this for? Number one, carpal tunnel syndrome. For more information on carpal tunnel syndrome, I'll put a link below. Number two, wrist sprain. So I fell on my hand was hyperflexed, hyperextended. I have a lot of pain right here in this area here of my wrist. Okay, so here's the brace. You slip it in, your thumb goes here. As you notice, there will be a curve because our hand is naturally curved up here and up here. This is called the resting position. This is the best position to be in when you want to rest your hand. So it curves up and you attach your brace as so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have a bar, a metal bar, aluminum bar over here that's adjustable, and one here that's also adjustable. I cannot move my wrist, it's immobilized. I could go as tight as I want. Just remember, if you are sleeping with this, you want it to be nice and loose, and during the day, nice and snug. And now how do we measure this brace? So you could measure the circumference of your wrist and then compare it with the size chart on the box.